This is going to be a video product review with a mini USB cable 10 feet. USB to mini USB cable, 2.0 for the USB, braided nylon charging USB mini. You know, I don't want to ramble. This works on the GoPro, the GoPro Hero 3, the PS3, dash cams, MP3 players, GPS receivers. So, why did I buy this? Let me do a little bit of talking because I like to talk while I do my reviews. This does come in 6 foot, 10 foot, comes in black, comes in red, comes in gray. I bought red because I'm awesome. Now, let me show you. This is called the USB-A. This plugs into our computer so we can transfer files to it. This is the old style. Look at this. This is the old style USB. This is the mini. Look really close. See how it's wide over here? And it's got this. Let me try to show you the... I'm reaching down. I'm looking for the micro. Hold on. Sorry, this is not professional. Not to have things ready. This is the... Oh, my God. Hey, I'm back. Sorry, that was very unprofessional for a review. You can see the difference. This is a very small new. This is used on the new phones before they went to the USB-C. And this is the old, this is called the mini, this is called the micro. Where is the mini used? The mini is used, let me get it here so you can see, the mini is used on cameras, dash cams and MP3 players. It's got a wide, see how wide it is over there? It's wide at the top and it's kind of like indented in the corners. Slides in. Slides in. This is the new cable. Nice fit. So you'll take this and you'll plug this into whatever you bought it for. You'll put this on your computer. Now, let me do a little bit of talking. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description. Click on it. You can order this cable. Very unprofessional coughing during a video review. You can buy this in, the cable that I have now, it's probably 4 feet, 5 feet, came with the camera. And I just thought, you know, you only live once. Why get on the floor to connect the camera to the cable each time? This thing cost about $9.99. It's, just don't buy a fast food meal or a coffee at some place. You wouldn't have a problem spending $10 buying some junk that you're just going to throw out, or fast food garbage. But you have a problem buying a cable like this. You say, no, I've already got a cable, I don't want to do this. So with this, I'll be able to plug this in at the back of the computer. I'll be able to route this around on my table, and I won't have to get down on the floor and plug it in all the time. I won't have to step on it. This is going to be out of the way. It's a nice cable, nylon fitting. It's a charging USB mini. So what this means is if your unit will charge up from your USB on your computer or your dongle or AC adapter or power brick or what else? What are the other options now? Power bank. You plug this in, and this you plug into the camera, whatever you've got, and you can charge it. And since this is the old USB mini standard, not only can you charge, but you should also be able to transfer data. It just depends. So I want to do a little bit of talking about this since some of you might not understand this besides just buying a cable. If you connect this to a dash cam and you want to transfer files, you connect this part to the dash cam, you connect this to the computer is going to say, I recognize the dash cam, you're going to transfer your data. Now say that you've got your dash cam in the house and you want to change the settings. You can't do that because this cable connected to your computer is going to see the dash cam as a device for file transfer. So what you do, instead of plugging this into the computer, you will plug this into the dash cam. You will plug this into your power brick or AC power, not really AC, but you'll plug this in so it's getting the power from the power brick or the power bank or whatever, and the camera is going to say, now I see power coming in here, I can charge up. And once the camera turns on, whether it's charging or whether it's just powering up, then you'll get your menus on your dash cam so that you can change your settings. But if you plug this into the computer, you're never going to get that option. well, some cameras might give you the option saying, do you want to do storage files, storage transfer, data transfer, do you want to go power? Most of them don't do that. So again, plug into the computer to transfer your files, plug into a power brick to get power to the unit so you can either charge it if it has a battery or so that you can get to the menu so you can do the updates. This is sold by, I don't know why companies make their names so confusing. IALEGANT, I-A-L-E-G-A-N-T. This obviously is in red. It's 10 feet. I love these nylon cables now. Unlike the older cables that are the black rubber, and you roll over it with a chair and it's ruined. These things are really nice. They hold up. They look beautiful. They probably have some shielding in there. Not that you need it, but well-made cables. 10 foot, for me, that's the way to go. 10 foot for $10. If I bought the 6 foot, how much would it be? $8.79. So for another $1.20, I get 4 feet more. Let's face it, this is a really nice deal. And again, like I said, people get really cheap when it comes to buying stuff like this. And they say, I'll just use what I've got, yet they waste all their money on garbage they don't need. Spend the money. Once you buy this, you're going to get a whole different way of looking at life. I bought it. I'm never going to need one of these things again. I'm thrilled that I have it. I can use it. And why didn't I do this before? So you can click on the link in the video description. You can do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, whatever you want to do. I bought this thing. They didn't send it to me. Nobody sponsored me. I just bought it because I need it for my dash cams. I'm doing a lot of dash cam video right now, and a lot of the dash cams are using this very, very, very old style mini USB connector. And I guess that's going to be my video. What else can I say? I don't think I got 8 minutes, so I can't put a zillion commercials on here, but high-speed transfer, nobody cares about that. 480 megabytes, that's just the USB standard. I guess that's it. Is there anything else to say? Let's look at the reviews and see what people say about it. I don't think anybody's listening now. Oh, there's only 6 reviews, and 79% say 5 stars. So when you're at 6 views, somebody says works good or a good value for the money. I agree. It's a really good deal. And let's go check on the 4 stars before I end this video. I don't think anybody left. Yeah, there's hardly any reviews on here. 6 global views for this cable. I think it's awesome. I'm happy. Plugged it in. Everything works. Can't ask for anything more. I'm going to get rid of the little 3-foot rubber piece of junk that came with the camera. I'll keep this connected to the computer at all times so I can do my data transfers, and I won't have to rush to find a cable, plug it into the computer, do my transfer, hide the cable, forget where I put it. Just spend the money and buy this stuff. Don't be cheap. I think I said IALEGANT. IALEGANT, whatever it is. Somebody sponsor me. I do lots of videos. I do lots of reviews. I should have like a million subscribers by now. I should have 100,000 subscribers. I should be a verified account. I should have my 100,000 YouTube plaque. What the heck's going on here? Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. Make me famous overnight. Tell all your friends to subscribe, and let's reward me for the dedication of what I do. Thank you.